Okay, sorry. Hey guys, I'm back. This is for my huge announcement, and sorry, my chair is just acting crazy. I was gonna do this facing me, where I was in the camera, but turns out my room sucks. So yeah. Anyway, so without further ado, my big announcement is that I am expecting a little one. Got me a little bean on the way, and exhaustion is probably not a strong enough word for what I'm going through right now. So if you actually watch my videos or whatnot, you'll know I haven't posted anything probably for 2 weeks because life has been handing it to me, okay? Being pregnant at 34 is not nearly the same as when I was 20. Just putting that out there. Not to deter anybody, but just to let you know, not just being exhausted, but I just can't, I don't have the creativity right now, so, and I'm sure it's because of the exhaustion, but, so, anyway, I'm not completely stepping out of the picture. I really do want to try to continue to do videos, but it most assuredly will go on whether or not I have the energy to, which has not been the case. I'm hoping by my, because she's due in October, so I'm hoping by my second trimester I'm a little more situated, I guess, with just being pregnant. So I did want to show you guys a little sneaky peek, because the next thing I probably do will be these pictures. These are my family pictures though that we took because we announced it to the family last Sunday, and that didn't go as planned. We got a few people who are not on board with us because, as you can see, we do have a large family already, but they're 12, 13, 14, and 15. By the end of May, they will, because they all have birthdays coming up. He just had his. It'll be 13, 13, 15, and 16. So they're all pretty self-sufficient at this point. However, they are teenagers, so not only am I pregnant, but they're acting like teenagers. So that's been hard for me. And this is just them. This is one of the very first pictures we took, so everybody wasn't quite comfortable yet. And this is the one we announced it with. We did, which nobody got it. We almost had to spell it out for him that we had the shadow there of me being pregnant, even though I'm already look huge. So anyway, that's my huge announcement, guys. I will try to continue to put stuff out as best as I can. Anyway, I hope you guys are having a great Saturday. I just did the unboxing video. That should be up now, and I'll post this one up in just a few seconds. And that was it. I'll holla at y'all next time. Bye.